Hello, my name is Rush James. We are currently building the Monroe 3i with my wife, Rudy James.
My favorite process through this experience has been the design center with Shelly, giving us options and really kind of looking at what we can do, what's included, but what we can upgrade, and it's just been a lot of fun.
The one thing I think that really sets Shaw apart is there's so many options that are available during the design center. We've done builds in the past to where we haven't really had the options that Shaw offers.
Advice I would give to future Shaw customers would be to just sit back and relax and enjoy the process. Building a house can be a pretty stressful thing, but I would just sit back, let the design center kind of help guide you through all your choices and all your options, and just enjoy the process. Have fun.